kind of basil is this?
So the Thai basil is this stuff here, and this is the opal.
It's like pepper.
Pepper. It's hard not to just say it tastes like chard. It's like chard to me.
The other one tastes a little more peppery after.
Peppery? Yeah. The thing you're looking for is like a smooth cut. So I'm gonna go in there, boom, done. So you don't want it yogurty, you wanna have that sort of like firm cut. And now I'm gonna cut the curd into little cubes.
It's right in there with my hands?
Yeah, just pick up a massive curd, and you wanna also just sort of knead the center, like press with your thumbs up in the middle, so and like form into a ball by just pulling the center up and the sides back underneath. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Straight up, right down to the.
Drop the camera. We're good.